Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Although it was removed, users who have already downloaded the app have to enter a secret code, which would then grant them access to a secret vault of videos and images. Digital Mind Co. developed similar apps for Android, and they were also removed.
Take our lead.
Calculator Plus is a vault app that hides private files behind a functioning calculator app. Calculator Plus can be found in the App Store, and is free to download and use, but does offer in-app purchases. Calculator Plus is not safe for kids, and parents should take note if their child downloads this app.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you don't find it in your app drawer, manager, look for it in the Samsung Apps folder. If you can't find it in the app drawer, then that means you may have disabled it. To get it back, you can go to your settings > applications > application manager > disabled apps. You can enable it from there.
Take our lead.
Method 1. Reset Calculator app. Right-click on Start and pick Settings. Open Apps and select Apps and Features. Scroll down to locate the Calculator app. Click on the Advanced options to open Storage Usage and App Reset page. Click Reset and once again Reset button on the confirmation window. Reset Calculator app.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.